Hey everyone, VisionAutoworks here with another Honda Civic. This is an 8th gen sedan headlight, FA5. These are built on brand new OE style headlights. Projectors are the Morimoto Mini H1 8.0. These are the latest generation with improved optics over the 7.0. We are now fitting Morimoto 8.0 exclusively if you go with the upgraded Mini H1 option. These definitely offer a performance boost over the standard Mini H1, so we also offer. Reflector bowls are painted a satin black. The shrouds are the mini Gatling Gun shrouds. And the full package comes with a Morimoto XB35 HID kit with a relay harness, so all the wiring is taken care of. We're going to cut the HIDs on here just to give you a preview. And bulb color choices range between around 4500K to 6000K, so you have flexibility on the color temperature that you want. Now you can spec out your own package like this on our website at VisionAutoworks.com. We have a headlight package for this car. You can add all the modifications that you want, performance and cosmetics. If you have any further questions, you can give us a call, email, or text. Again, these are the Honda Civic 8th generation FA5 headlight package.